Rihanna is now a billionaire, second only to Oprah as the wealthiest female entertainer. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop. Coming up on the scoop for today, international superstar Rihanna, officially a billionaire. That is what we're going to talk about today on the program. So Rihanna is officially now a billionaire and the wealthiest female musician in the world according to Forbes. She's also now the second wealthiest female entertainer, right behind the one and only Oprah Winfrey according to Forbes. The pop star is worth 1.7 billion US or 1.2 billion pounds, with an estimated 1.4 billion coming from her Fenty Beauty cosmetic company. It's been 5 years since the girl from Barbados, Rihanna, dropped a new album. Her 2016 instant classic Auntie spent 64 weeks on the Billboard charts. Instead, she dedicated her time to building her business empire through her Fenty Beauty makeup line and her Savage Fenty lingerie line. Forbes estimate Fenty Beauty alone is worth 2.8 billion. In 2018, the makeup brand, which is sold at Sephora stores, was generating more than 550 million in annual revenues, earning more than Kim Kardashian West, KK Beauty, Kylie Jenner's Kylie Cosmetics, and Jessica Alba's Honest Company, the magazine reported. So this is really great news coming outside of the United States, as Rihanna, as you know, is one of those top premier entertainer on the international scene. Rihanna launched her Fenty Beauty products in 2017, and when she did this, she sought to create a cosmetic company that made every woman feel included. A perhaps unintentional sequence, the beauty line has helped her to enter into the world of the most exclusive rank of a billionaire. The only complaint some fans may have about her career as a fashion and music monger is that it keeps her busy. The singer, who used to release an album almost every year, hasn't released a new album since 2016. While the Barbados-born Rihanna isn't the only celebrity to capitalize on her social media presence, she has 101 million followers on her Instagram, 102.5 million on her Twitter. To build a beauty brand, she is the most successful beauty entrepreneur to do so in many years. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the channel for the latest celebrity news. We're out for now. Peace out and bless.